our team is reviewing for you these 120 LED solar lights for outdoor use. These lights are great. I use them in my backyard so I can see my dogs. They have motion sensitivity. They have a few different settings. They are waterproof. They're perfect for your patio, for your yard, for your deck. They light things up enough so that you can see what's going on in the dark. They have 3 different lighting modes. They have a security mode where the motion sensor turns on the light when somebody walks by. They have a permanent mode where the light will stay on all night long as it has a charge. And then it has a smart brightness control where the light stays on and it turns brighter when it detects motion and dimmer when nobody's around. I tend to use the motion sensor mode with these because it's one of my favorites. These things charge during the day and then automatically work at night, which is great. They have a 270-degree wide lighting angle, which again, like I said, lights everything up. They are IP65 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about rain or snow or anything like that. If you're looking for some really nice LED lights for your yard, for your patio, for out front of your house, I highly recommend these.